If the Files app on your iPhone isn't working as expected, don't worry. We've got some solutions for you. These steps can help you get back on track. Here's how to fix the Files app not working on your iPhone. Solution 1. Reset the Files app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to come App Switcher. Find the Files app and swipe up on it to close it. After that, restart your iPhone. Now come back and reopen the Files app to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Find out File app, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall app. After that, try to check out your issues. Hope this would solve your problem. Solution 3. Sync your File app with iCloud. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, scroll down, tap iCloud, tap See All, scroll down, tap iCloud Drive. Tries to turn sync this iPhone. If this is already enabled, then turn it off and turn it back on again. Solution 4. Check storage space. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, select iPhone Storage. Check if you have sufficient storage space. If your storage is nearly full, try deleting unnecessary files or apps to free up space. Solution 5. Reinstall the Files app. Press and hold the Files app icon until the delete option appears. Tap Delete App. Open the App Store, search for Files, and reinstall it. Open the app and check if it's working properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with the Files app on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.